Hello students. Day before yesterday I have explained up to the first, second, third and fourth paragraph of the lesson Boli. Today I will carry on it. Okay, you see the book. But Ramlal was worried about Bholi. Why? Because she was not beautiful, her development was, her physical growth or intellectual growth was hampered due to the attack by smallpox and an accident which was occurred while she was at the age of 10 months. The attack of smallpox was at the age of 2 years and the accident was during her 10 months of age. Okay. So, since her growth was hampered, she was ugly in looking, her intellectual capacity was not grown. So, Ramlal, the father of Bholi or Sulekha, was worried about the marriage of Sulekha. She had neither good looks nor intelligence. We have already got it yesterday too, that she was neither good looking beauty or nor intelligence. Okay. Bholi was 7 years old. When Bholi became 7 years old, when Mangla was married, then Mangla was married. Mangla is her elder sister, one of her elder sister. Okay. The same year, a primary school for girls was opened in their village. In the same year, that means when Bholi was attained at the age of 7 years, and at the same time, her one of her elder sister, Mangla, was also married. On that year, a primary school for girls, especially for girls, was opened in their village. The Tehsildar Sahib, who is Tehsildar in our region, is called a revenue officer, ARO, assistant revenue officer or revenue officer, Tehsildar. Okay, a magistrate level officer is first class magistrate level officer. It is called Tehsildar in southern or northern India. And this Tehsildar came to their village, that means Ramlal's village, or you may say to the village of Sulekha, you may say. Okay. You just try to understand that Ramlal was the father of Sulekha, so we can say Tehsildar came to Ramlal's village, we can say, or we can say Tehsildar came to the Sulekha's village. Okay. A new primary school was to be established at Sulekha's village, and for the opening purpose, the Tehsildar, a first class magistrate level officer, revenue officers, was to come at their village. Why? To perform the opening ceremony of the primary school. He said to Ramlal, then the Tehsildar or the ministerial level officer ARO assistant revenue officer told to Ramlal, as a revenue official, you are the representative of the government in the village, and so you must set an example to the villagers. You must send your daughters to school. Who said it? The Tehsildar said that since you work as an official, government official at Tehsildar's office, so you have to set an example by sending your daughter to this school. If a well-known person do not send their child to a particular school, then the villager will not send their child to. So the Tehsildar played a positive game. Okay, so he said to Ramlal that since you are a government official, that so you have to set an example by sending your daughter to this school. You must send your daughters to school, he said. Okay, he means who? The Tehsildar. That means the assistant revenue officer or a magisterial level officer who came to opening ceremony of this primary school at Sulekha's village. You may say Sulekha's village or you may say Ramlal's village. That is synonyms, okay? Since Sulekha is the daughter of Ramlal and Ramlal is the father of Sulekha, so you may say you may select any one of them. That night, when Ramlal consulted his wife, he also fears his wife. She cried, "Are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will marry them?" You see, once in ancient time, a type of conservative ideology was occurring in our society. ঠেক মনোবৃত্তি বুলি কোৱা হয়. ঠেক মনোবৃত্তি আমাৰ সমাজত চলিছিল. That night, that means on that particular night, when the Tehsildar said Ramlal to send her daughter to the school to establish an example, on that particular night, he consulted his wife. Okay. Whose wife? Ramlal's wife. Who consulted? Ramlal consulted. Okay. His wife, but she cried. She means Ramlal's wife cried. Are you crazy? Are you mad? If girls go to school, who will marry them? She asked this question to Ramlal. Okay. But Ramlal had not the courage to disobey the Tehsildar. Wow. He is in puzzling from two sides. He cannot disobey the Tehsildars also, nor he can disobey his wife also. Joruka Gulam, a type of Joruka Gulam. Okay. That means Ramlale কি কৰিব নোৱাৰে, তহচিলদাৰৰ কথাও পেলাব নোৱাৰে আৰু এইপিনে নিজৰ পত্নীৰ কথাও পেলাব নোৱাৰে, তেনেকুৱা. But Ramlal had not the courage to disobey the Tehsildar. At last his wife said, when he convinced his wife by telling what I will say, the order, in one sense order, okay, order given by the Tehsildar, his wife said, I will tell you what to do. That means his wife will tell Ramlal what to do. Send Boli to school. She very simply said, because Boli is ugly, na? She is backward child. Her intellectual growth, her physical growth is hampered due to the last two accidents. One is accidents from a court while she was at the age of 10 months, and another is the attacked by the smallpox when she was of 2 years old. So she said, send Boli to school. Why she said so? You may imagine, because she was underground child. Okay, she was neither. We have already got that she was neither good looks nor intelligence. So she assumed that she will not be married in her wife. So Ramlal's wife suggested Ramlal to send Boli to the school. As it is, there is little chance for her getting married. Oh, with her ugly face and lack of sense, I have already told, na, she assumed that she would not be married in her life, so she collected some courageous to send Boli to the school. And she suggested her husband to send Boli to the school. Let the teachers at school worry about her. Oh, जो खुद नहीं सकता है वो शिक्षकों के ऊपर डाल देना बस. तो इसी उद्देश्य से क्या किया, रामलाल की पत्नी ने रामलाल को सजेस्ट किया कि भोली को ही स्कूल में भेजा जाए ताकि उसकी चिंता शिक्षक लोग करें. लेट द टीचर्स एट स्कूल वरी अबाउट हर. शी टोल्ड रामलाल टू सेंड भोली टू द स्कूल so that the teachers will take the responsibility of Bholi. Okay, the whole life responsibility of Bholi by the teachers of that particular school. अपने कर्तव्य से छुटकारा पाने के लिए, शिक्षकों के ऊपर भार लदाने के लिए उस औरत ने क्या किया, भोली को ही स्कूल में भेजने के लिए रामलाल को सजेस्ट किया. ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द लेसन. ओके, yesterday and today it is the first part. I hope you have understand the lesson. You see the video repeatedly. Okay, I'll try my level best to make you able to understand the chapter. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you.